Hi, we are Harish and Pallavi and we are making this video as a part of our Lab 1 of web programming. Our Lab 1 is to create a student portal web application which will render the details which I'm going to tell you now. The first, it should have user account details, single student details. It has to have courses, books, calendars, and it should look almost like this. Then have to use good CSS, and we have to use Angular and MongoDB for this assignment. So let me go ahead and show how we have done it. Okay, this is our main page, that is login page, and if we haven't like registered yet, we could totally click here and try to register. Let me just give it as and see, I already have this in my database. It's 31 at gmail.com. It's already there in my Mongo. So if I like I'll just randomly give 913 something, then password as 1234. So if I could give this and sign up, it will show email already exists because we have already used this email to sign in. So let me just go ahead and use different email, pal@gmail.com, and our password is 1234. That's what I'm gonna do, and we'll sign up. So the course name would be cloud computing. I think the course category is computer science department, and number of credits offered to this is 3, and I have my final exam per se 31, and midterm would be around like 15, and I'll just save it. So after adding the courses, if I have like let's just say we have like 2-3 courses, so I'll just add one more web application and mobile. So what I'll do, course category is computer and electrical, number of credits offered is 3, and let's just say my exam is on 16th and the other exam is on 17th. So I'll just save it, and I'm done with adding courses, right? So I could just like say done if I have just 2 things. So what I had registered pal@gmail.com, and my password was 1234, and if I log in, it's gonna take me there. These are the 2 things that I had registered for, right? Cloud computing and tech, and web application and mobile. It was computer science department and electrical, both has 3 courses, and this is the end date of the exam. This is what we're gonna display. So this is our home page that just displays this, and if I wanna edit my course, I just edit it. Like for example, I could make this 6 credits. So if I save, it just recon it, and you can see that cloud computing has 6 credits now. I could delete this web application, this cloud computing, if we want. So I'll just show you this delete option. So this is deleted. So let me go through the mlab, what it has to say. So this is the one I registered, Pallavi Desai, and pal@gmail.com was right. We are storing this course name, and here I was registered for web programming and application, right? If I register for one more course, it would be adding to the course name array here. So just go back, and I can view my profile as Pallavi Design, all this stuff, and I can edit my profile 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, and save it. And if I go to my if I go to my profile again, we could see that the updated phone number. So this discover book will redirect us to UMKC bookstore. And calendar will redirect to UMKC calendar. And these are the friends that we have. And for about the resizing, since we have used Bootstrap, let me just show our home page how it resizes accordingly. Like if I have one more like 2-3 subjects, I could show you how we are resizing. So let me just log out of this and I'll log in with the one that has more courses. See, I have a lot of courses over here, right? So if I just like resize this, the application will get resized with this tab screen size. I can see this home page showing up like this. These widgets get automatically adjusted to the screen size, and I could just safely log out from my application. We have implemented all the functionalities that we had needed to. So let me see my code. We have used Angular here. So we have made components like adding the course is one component, calendar component, edit courses, home page, login page, profile page, and register app. These are our components, and the code we have uploaded in our Git. And that is all. Thank you. Also, we have made validation for our page. If I give gmail.com was the ones which I have registered, right? That we could use, or we could just use gmail.com since it has more courses, which will be convenient for us to show. See, if I enter wrong password, it will pop up like username and password is incorrect. Yes. And let me just use right dot here instead of that. Yep. hdata@gmail.com. Login, and we were successfully logged in. So let me show how our MLab works. So let me go back to the page one. Harishtaka is the first one that has registered, right? So I'm gonna show how our courses array looks. hdata@gmail.com. Yeah, here I can see that, right? hdata@gmail.com is a username. The courses I have registered, he has registered is, we can see cloud computing, cryptography, parallel algorithm, and web programming, right? Cloud computing, cryptography, parallel algorithms, and web programming along with the details. That's what we will show. So let me edit here. I'll make cloud computing as 6 credits. Before showing, let's just see how much is cloud computing. It's 3 credits, right? After I save it here, let me reload this. hdata@gmail.com. Cloud computing now has 6 credits. We are now able to edit the courses, edit the profile. Editing the profile will be this. We'll make it Harish T only. So if we just save it, so and we'll reload it. We could see last name changed to just T for hdata@gmail.com. That's about our application. Now let's just get deeper into our code now. So
this is Harish. Now I will be explaining the code. So first thing, we have done our lab in Angular. So all in Angular we will be like dealing with all the components. So the first thing we have to go to this app component.html, and here we are doing the router outlet. So all the things will be like in router routing module.ts, where you will be like giving the path and what is the component related to the path. So with default path, login page will be displayed, and for every other components like register page, add courses, home page, calendar, etc. I'm hooking all the, I mean, I'm routing the pages with the components in this file. So now coming to the login page. So before going to the login page, I will just explain you about the register page. So now coming to the HTML part, I have just populated all the input text fields like first name, last name, email, phone number, and the password. I'm keeping email as the username and the password is the password. So when I click on this sign up click, if you go here, so here I am declaring all the variables: first name, last name, email, phone number, or the password. In the sign up click, as you can see here, in MLab we have a provision. There is a provision that is like you can call all the like inserting record, deleting records, or updating records with the help of API call. So here in this I am doing the get request, since I wanted to know the mail ID is present in the Mongo lab or not. So here I am declaring the URL with the MLab. It should be like this pattern: database, and the database name, and the collection name, and the API key. So as you are giving the URL to the URL in HTTP GET request, you will be getting the result, and there I am checking whether so I am getting the index, whether it is present or not. If it is not present, I am saying email, like if it is not present, I am creating it. If it is present, then I am telling that email already exists. So after when if it is not there, so I am creating a document in MLab, and after that I am routing this one to the add courses, as I wanted to add the courses when I am registering the user. So now going to the add courses. Add courses is just another component. It has fields like course name, course category, as you can see, grades, etc. So it has two buttons: save click and done click. So save click, when you click on this one, so all the course and course details will be saved in the MLab, and when you click on this done, it will be navigated to the login page automatically. So coming to the TS, as you can see, I have kept the URL, and first I am doing the get request to get the index of that one, since I am doing the API request. So after getting the index, I am just updating the course list, and I'm doing the put request here. Why we are using put request? Because we are updating the data. And in the done click, when all the courses are added, I'm just navigating to the login page. The same thing in the login page, I've just created the HTML page with the text fields, username and the password. Here I will be, as you can see here in the login click, I will be getting the result, and I'm checking whether the email and the password is present in the MLab or not. If both are present and both are correct, I mean with the matching username and the password in the mlab, it will be navigated to the home page, or else it will be giving an alert that username and password is wrong. So coming to the home page, so I have populated all the HTML data with the help of like input text fields and etc. Here there are a couple of clicks like view profile. When you click on sidebar view profile, it goes to the profile page. Home page is home page, and if you want to sign out, it will be navigating to the login page. And in the edit courses, I'm navigating to the edit courses page where I will be editing the courses, and I will click on save. Then the course details will be updated in the Mongo Lab. For delete courses, when I click on delete, the particular course details are deleted from the user's account. So for that I will be using the put request and the get request. As you can see here, I am getting all the details of the user account with the courses, and from the courses I am deleting one of the course which I have clicked on it. So this is the home page, and in home page it is sidebar where you can navigate to the or view profile or edit courses page. So coming to the view profile is nothing but edit profile page. So let's go to the profile page, and I just populated the uh, text fields and all the HTML components. So here in the click, and again I am fetching the data and seeing what are the data should be rectified, and I am doing the put request so that it will be updated. Same as the same procedure is followed with the edit courses page, and these are the things. So most of the code is present in the HTML and TS, and for every HTML page there is a CSS where separate. So actually I have explained all the components which are present in our web page. Generally MongoLab or MongoDB you will be running under Node, but here for MLab there is an API request provision, so I have used that one. Instead of creating another node, I'm just running my web page with the help of ngserve instead of keeping my MLab or Mongo in a node. So mm so this is the student portal with a few components as add courses, calendar, edit courses, home page, login page, profile page, and register page. Thank you.